We're going to explain how to stop a while loop. While loops are powerful tools in programming, letting you repeat a block of code as long as a certain condition is true. But what if that condition never becomes false? That's where knowing how to stop a loop becomes crucial. There are several ways to achieve this. 1. Using a Boolean variable. This is a common and flexible method. You declare a Boolean variable, true, false, outside the loop. The loop continues as long as the variable is true. Inside the loop, you change the Boolean variable to false when you want the loop to end. For example, in Python looping equals true while looping. Your code here. If some condition, looping equal false. Here, the loop keeps running until some condition is met, at which point looping is set to false, and the loop terminates. 2. The break statement. The break statement provides a direct way to exit a loop immediately. Regardless of the loop's condition, encountering a break statement causes the loop to terminate. This is particularly useful when you have multiple conditions and want to stop the loop based on one specific condition. Python while true. This creates an infinite loop. Your code here. If some condition, break. In this example, the loop runs until some condition is met, where the break statement exits the loop. 3. The continue statement, conditional looping. While break completely exits a loop, continue skips the remaining code within the current iteration and proceeds to the next iteration. This is helpful for managing cases where you want to skip parts of the loop's body, but don't want to stop the whole loop. Python while I10, I plus 1, if I equals 5, continue. Skip the print statement when I is 5 print I. This code will print numbers 1 through 10, skipping the number 5. 4. Modifying the loop condition. This approach directly alters the condition that governs the loop's execution. This requires careful consideration to ensure the loop eventually terminates. In many cases, this is done by updating a counter or some other variable within the loop that is used in the while loop condition. Python counter equals 0 while counter 10. Your code here, counter plus 1. The loop runs 10 times because the counter increases until it equals 10, making the condition false. 5. Exceptions. Advanced. For more complex scenarios, you might use exceptions. If an error occurs within the loop, you can handle it with a try-except block, allowing you to gracefully exit the loop and potentially handle the error in a specific way. This is an advanced method best used when you expect potential errors during the loop's execution. These 5 methods offer diverse ways to control while loops. The best method depends on the specific logic of your program and the conditions under which you need to stop the loop. Remember that infinite loops can crash your program, so understanding these termination strategies is crucial for writing robust and reliable